You guys, I am so excited and so overheated. Wow, didn't know I needed this as much as I need it right now. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to it if you've never been here. If you do happen to be new, Halloween is my jam. Has always been, will forever be my favorite time of life. I'm one of those annoying people that has a birthday in October, so it's like, oh, you know, like that's me. But it's true, it's just like October has always meant happiness for me. My mom and dad always made like a big deal about my birthday, so it's just like excitement. They made a big deal about Halloween, so it's just very nostalgic and fun, but I'm also just into like creepy, cute pumpkins. Like I'm just into Halloween. I love it. And I feel like we're all on the same page this year and that we're going to have a mega Halloween because we're stuck indoors. So as I normally do, I have a Halloween decor haul to share with you today. I am literally so excited. I feel like that's why I am so hot. And the lights, and California's on fire. But this started out as just like, I have my box right here, which is not even all of it. I've had to line it all up on my little dresser over there. But I feel like this started out as just like, oh, I have a small box of things I'm gonna share, and I have gone over, it's an overload of Halloween things now, and Target hasn't even officially like put out their Halloween stuff out in store. It's still back to school stuff, which I'm kind of like, what are you doing? Get it together. Nobody cares about school. And although it's way too much stuff, I am now in my life very intentional in only buying things that I absolutely love and like can't be without. And that's how I feel about everything I'm about to show you. So sit back, relax, get some like frickin' pumpkin spice tea or coffee or just water, grab a full meal, whatever. We're gonna be here for a moment, but it's gonna be exciting. And I'm kind of gonna go in like groups of where I got things. So number one, last year, if you live in California, or like Orange County, there's a place called Rogers Gardens, I believe it is. And one of Bradley's best friends turned us on to it, in which they create this like amazing Halloween store every year. It has like a different theme, and they let me know about it last year because the theme was Alice in Wonderland, and they know that I'm obsessed. So we went and I loved it, and I got a few little like mini like tchotchke statue type things, and I've learned recently and followed her on Instagram that they're by an artist named Joanna Parker. I think that's her name. But I'm obsessed, and sadly we're not gonna go, well, I don't think we're gonna go, unless something drastically changes. But just because of COVID, we're not gonna go to the Halloween shop this year, even though it is up and running, and it's pirate themed, and it looks really, really cool. But I've had my eye out for different Joanna Parks things. It's Joanna Parker. I've had my eye out this year for Joanna Parker things, because she shares them on Instagram, and then shares like where you can get them. So I've bought a few. These were my very first Halloween purchases of the year. But could you die? Look at these bowls. They're candy corns, and they have faces. I'm just like really obsessed with the like kind of vintage looking Halloween stuff, and that's a lot of what her things are. And they're like cute and creepy, and I just am obsessed. So I got the two, these came in a set, so I got the two bowl set. One is like happy, the other is a little spooked out, but I love his little cheeks. Are you kidding? Oh, I guess they both have cheeks, but they're so cute. And I'm a sucker. I don't like love the eating candy corn, but I love the way it looks. It just, you know, it's nice and bright, fun colors. So I got those two, but then I also got the matching plates, in which I might give one of these to my mom or my sister, which if you're both watching, don't get too excited because I haven't made up my mind. But I don't know if I need both of these, and even if I was gonna give one away, I don't know which one I would give away because I love them both. But just, they're so cute, and I was obsessed, and I was just like, you know what, I'm gonna regret not buying those if I don't. So I bought them. And I also believe they came in a set. Did I just say that? But I'm just obsessed with the fun, creepy candy corns. I love them. They remind me of like the singing candy and hot dogs and the like drive-in advertisements. Like that's why I love them. And I should have said in the beginning, whatever I can link, wherever I can find it, I will have linked down below. A lot of the stuff is probably gone, or a lot of the Joanna Parker stuff is probably gone because it's kind of hard to find. I would recommend following her on Instagram. I love all of her stuff. And I think her big thing is Halloween, but she also has Christmas, Thanksgiving, Valentine's Day, like all that kind of stuff, and it's fun to follow. So then I found another shop through her that sells her stuff called VintageHalloween.com, which I would highly recommend checking out. A lot of cool stuff, in which they sent me this with my order, which I'm gonna use this all season long because wow. I believe I did a Halloween haul last year. If I did, I'll link it up at the corner. In that, at the Rogers Garden place, I got all these little figurines by Joanna Parker, like I just said. And I saw this year the missing one that I didn't have on some website, and I was like, crap, but it was only sold in a set. I already had the other three, so I didn't need it. But then I found VintageHalloween.com. They had it on there for like 10 bucks, and it was like 25% off. Look at this, I don't even know what it is, like a spider pumpkin. Like, look at him. So this matches with my other three. I think it's a pumpkin, an owl, and a cat. And they all have party hats on. I love that they're all like at a party, some sort of Halloween party. But he's got little spider legs and this really cute pumpkin body. And I love the polka dots and the orange bow tie and his little blush. And I am just obsessed with him. He may be one of like my favorite purchases of the whole haul. Picked that up, as well as these guys who are also going to the party because they have party hats on too. These are more like, they sit on shelves, they have little dangly legs, but they're actually kind of like structured legs. You can like fit them to how you want them. So this guy is a little bat. I love his like shawl looking thing. I love the stripes in the back. His little hat. He's so cute. Are you kidding? And then this mummy. Are you kidding? Just one eyeball. Again, it's got the party hat. Like we're at some sort of party and I love it. I want to go to the party too. And I am just obsessed with these. I'm very, like I said, nostalgic when it comes to Halloween, and like these are the kind of things that my mom would have had and I would have freaking loved looking at. So I love them and I'm very excited about them, as you can tell. Now moving on from Joanna Parker to Anthropology, which also is, these are two of my favorite things as well. Look at these pumpkin cups. Like, these are so freaking cute, it's not even funny. They're nice and big, which I love. Like, they're gonna make really nice water glasses, which me and Bradley are into having like seasonal cups and mugs just because it's fun. We have like a whole kitchen cabinet where we have like Christmas, Thanksgiving, and Halloween stuff. And I think these are really nice. I like how big they are. I like the white rim around them. But I love the freaking pumpkins. They also had them with like red, like almost maple leaf looking leaves for like fall, but I decided to go with the matching set of the pumpkins just because I thought they were so cute. And normally I like glassware to be mix and match, so I usually only buy one of each glass, but these were just too cute that me and Bradley need to be drinking out of them together. So I am obsessed with these. I need to give them a good wash before I use them, but how great are these? Also, I intend to do a lot of fall baking this year, so I talked myself into getting this pumpkin spatula, which how amazing is it? I love it. I love that it's just white with all these colorful pumpkins, and they kind of have like a lot of things based on this design this year. They have a tea towel that's kind of similar to like the Hello Gorgeous, get it, like a gourd, one that I got last year, like a oven mitt. They have a bunch of stuff in this print, but I just got the spatula because I have, as you know, if you watch me, I have a rubber spatula addiction, and one with pumpkins all over it I can't deny, so I got that as well. And then last thing from Anthropology is this really cute little pumpkin pot. I got one, I think the exact same thing, just in like a purplish color last year, and I loved it. We used it for like dips, or you can use it for soup. It's just really cute, and it was affordable. I was like, you know what, I want the white one too. And yeah, it just has a little lid. I don't think you could actually bake in it. Oh no, you can. Oven-proof bakeware. Shit, you can bake in it. Dishwasher and microwave safe as well. So damn, that's great. Had to have it, even if you never use it, just out on your counter. It's so cute. Or you could like fill it with candy, you know? Now let's move on to Hobby Lobby, which, whoa. Hobby Lobby is a place I had never been previously. I was very specifically looking for like the craft carvable pumpkins, which I've gotten at Michael's in the past, but to me this year they just felt like thicker, like I wouldn't be able to cut into them. So I have this project in mind that I will make happen. So I need a carvable fake pumpkin. So I went to Hobby Lobby and they didn't have any, but I found some other stuff. Also, I'd never been there. It was incredible, but mostly with Christmas stuff. I think they don't believe in Halloween. I think they you know, they're not into it. It was just like fall type stuff, which I believe they're like a religious organization. But not a whole lot of Halloween stuff, just like fall, gather, blessings, you know, those types of things. You can see it. But I did find this, which is also one of my very favorite finds of the year. This was $9.99 and everything was 40% off, and I got a lot of Christmas stuff too. I got mostly Christmas stuff because, like I said, they didn't have any Halloween stuff and they didn't have what I needed. But I found this and I'm obsessed. First of all, love that it's square. I love that it looks like it was home painted, and I love the polka dots, obviously. Like, I am literally obsessed with this. I think it is so cute. And then the other thing I got, which is equally as cute, is this little raccoon pumpkin guy. I just loved his striped tail and his little leaf bow, and he's just so cute. I just love little things like this. And then I also found this little, like, almost cupcake stand, and you can just set him right on top. And like, I love anything that brings layers to decorating, just because like when things are all flat, it's just not fun. So anything to bring some height. And I just thought I could get some use out of this little guy all year round, but I thought, I don't know, while I was shopping, I set that on top of that and I was like, oh, groundbreaking. So I bought it, and this little stand was like $3 exactly. But that was it for Hobby Lobby for now. Just wait till the Christmas decor haul, which won't be coming anytime soon. I had to stash that stuff away, but it was such cute stuff for 40% off, and I was like, I'm here, let's go. But now moving on to Michael's. So the first thing I got was this little guy. Michael's right now this year has so much cute stuff. I feel like they've like in the last few years really have settled into like, yeah, people come to Michael's first for Halloween stuff, and they've like really like set up their vibe. And they had so much cute stuff this year that I'm like shocked that I didn't walk away with more. A lot of like big things that I would love to have if we had more room. A lot of really cute signage. And again, a lot of like the vintage looking Halloween stuff, including this guy who I am just obsessed with. He was broken. His hat is broken, so I convinced them to give it to me for a hella discount because I can just freaking hot glue that back together. But look at his polka dot top hat. Look at his face. Look, he's holding a huge candy corn. His like clown collar frill, and he's like laying on his stomach with his candy corn. Like, and I just loved him for like a shelf or something. I don't even know. I was just obsessed, so I bought him. Also last year at Michael's, something I was obsessed with, and they brought them back but in more patterns. These teeny tiny little pumpkins. And so I think I bought 4 last year, all different types of like patterns between stripes, polka dots, and they had little stars. And I didn't have these 3, so I picked these up. So this one's probably my favorite. It's kind of like a cream color with orange polka dots. So cute. Then just solid black with white stripes, and then solid black with white polka dots. And just like tiny pumpkins, I can use that for anything and everything, everywhere. Put them everywhere. I love them. I also got this weird eyeball. I don't even know why. I think I just liked that it was a purple eye because I wish I had purple eyes, but also like this on a shelf. I liked that it was like creepy but still cute. I just loved it. And this was $7. But again, I think when I went to Michael's, all the Halloween stuff was 30% off, and then I had an extra 20% off coupon. I may have bought a lot, but it was all pretty much bargain shopping, so you should be proud and pleased. This is more of like an overall fall decoration, but this pumpkin is made out of corn. Well, not actual corn, you get it. But I thought this was so cute. There's like a transition period where I do put the Halloween stuff away and I keep fall stuff out. I do put the Christmas tree up a little earlier than the rest of the Christmas stuff, but just because I freaking love a Christmas tree, who doesn't? But there is a period in there where the Halloween goes away, but the fall stuff stays, and this will maybe not even come out until then because I have too much stuff and not enough apartment. But I just thought this was cute, so I picked that up. And then another one of my favorite finds, I'm saying that about everything, but like top 5. You guys, look at this sign. It's teaching you how to make a pumpkin pie, but I am obsessed. I feel like this is something you'd find in Anthropology for like $70, but it was $17, but this was 40% off, so I got it for a great deal, and I am obsessed with it. So I'm probably going to take down some of the artwork in our kitchen. I think maybe put this up, but this would also be cute like standing at the back of the kitchen shelf. I guess we could try to make the pie because it gives you like pretty detailed instructions. But regardless, I just thought it was so cute. And you could leave this out till Thanksgiving as well. My sister went to Michael's with me, and she got a pecan pie one, and she's gonna leave it up all year round. But I just thought it was so cute with the pictures and the instructions, and I was obsessed, so yes. Okay, and then lastly, stuff from Target. And like I said, the like bulk of the Halloween stuff is not out in stores yet. Some of it's online, but a lot of it says like in store only or sold out, so that's not very helpful. But I did get one thing online, and then the rest were in like the dollar section or the fall section. This may be my very favorite thing I bought this year, which is going to be hard for me to hold up, so I'm gonna have to insert a clip. But it's 3 ceramic pieces that say boo. And it is literally so cute. They stand up by themselves. So the B is just black with white polka dots, and then the first O, or second O, whichever one you want, is a jack-o'-lantern, and then you have a ghost O. And it is literally the cutest thing I've ever seen. I put it up on our mantle just when it came in, and I was like, Bradley, do you die? And he was like, yeah, it's great. This is just gonna be something that brings me so much joy for the rest of my life. You got all 3 in the same set, and I think it was like $32, so not the cheapest, but still like, I don't know, totally worth it in my opinion. Then I got a couple of things from the dollar section. The first, they had a lot of these like really lightweight felt pumpkins. This was $1. I just liked the tallness of it. I liked the color of it, and I don't know, I just see this amongst other things. And then as well as this really cute pink pumpkin. I thought this would be cute in my office as part of my filming setup back there. I like to bring in a little bit of color. Speaking of, I got this teal one. Both of these were $3, but in the dollar section. This one I think I might paint some white polka dots on or something, jazz it up a little bit, but I did think it was cute, and I liked the color. As many of you learned from my apartment tour, I'm not afraid of color. I really like color. I like all colors. I like them mixed together, so yeah, I just thought the teal and the pink was fun. And then very last but not least, I got this, I guess it's a fake candle because it flickers. I don't know if you can see that. You put batteries in it, and then it flickers. I do wish it had some sort of timer or remote because I don't know, I feel like that's gonna run out really quick, and I'm definitely gonna forget to turn it off one night. But regardless, I just loved the glow from within look, and this would look beautiful on, I was gonna say a mantle or a shelf, anywhere. It's just really, really nice. But okay guys, that is it for now. You know, I'll probably pick up more stuff. I don't want to, but like, it's my time of year to shine, and if I need to buy more, I need to buy more. And just my husband will have to deal, and I'll have to deal when Halloween's over and I don't have any more storage room for this stuff. But it's fine. 'Tis the season, you know? But I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know it was long awaited. A lot of you were anxious to see it, so I hope it lived up to the hype. I think it did. I think it's all great stuff, so okay. I'm gonna go turn the air conditioning back on, get out of these hot lights, and I will see you guys very soon with, I think probably my next video will be our decorate with us. We're gonna slap on the camera as we decorate within the next couple of days, and I'll throw the footage together and upload it for you guys. But yeah, please let me know what kind of videos you want to see during this season. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.